Do you want to connect your JBL speakers to your Samsung Galaxy phone? Now this is S26 Ultra or S25 Ultra, but you might have a 26 or older version. It will work the same, and these are JBL Go 3s. The Go 4s are out now, but it will work the same. So all we have to do is go ahead and go into settings. Okay, so from settings, now we're going to hit connection. And from connections, we're going to want to press Bluetooth. So once we get to Bluetooth, it says available devices. Now, if it's not reading, first of all, we have to turn on the Go 3s or the JBL speakers. Now you can have that big pill one as well. Go ahead and turn that on and make sure that you put it in pairing mode. So for these, you just go ahead and double click. Now you'll hear that sound and it should pop up under available devices. Now, if it doesn't immediately pop up, then I'm going to have you go ahead and turn off Bluetooth. Then we're going to turn it back on, and there we go. It pops up. So once we see that, then we're just going to go ahead and press it. It will ask you if you want to pair. Go ahead, press pair, and once you hear that sound, your JBL speakers will now be connected to your Galaxy. And it's as simple as that. So I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.